guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! My name is Na. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I know it's been a long while, and guess what? Welcome to my new kitchen, my new home. I'm so excited about it. I just love it. I love the space. Oh my gosh, it's been a crazy time in 2022. Relocating to this place, you know, it took so much of my energy, my money, but hey, you know, it's really been a beautiful time here, my new space, my new home, and I'm so happy to bring you new, exciting, so much good content on food, on lifestyle. So please stay tuned. I have so much in store for you this year, trust me. So today I'm going to be making something really different, but also popular. You know, I want to try something different and share it with you because I know it's going to be so good. And I'm sure a lot of you have heard about Angwamo, right? So in Ghana, we have Angwamo, and Angwamo basically is oil rice. So Angwa is oil, right? And mo is rice, right? And I'm going to be making Angwamo chili rice or chicken all in one pot, right? Isn't that amazing? Doesn't that sound delicious already? To me it does anyway. So I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be making it. I believe it's going to turn out wow. So stay tuned. So we're going to be using 2 chicken legs. So that includes the drumstick and the thigh. So this is about 1 kilo of chicken legs that you can get at your nearest cold store. I have my tolo beef here, and Angwamo without tolo beef is not Angwamo. And you're gonna need 2 cups of long grain white rice, a little bit of light soy sauce, some fresh spring onions, minced garlic, minced ginger and rosemary, and whole chopped red onions and chopped red chili and chopped garlic. Very simple ingredients. We're going to start first by piercing our chicken with a fork so that all the seasoning gets in there, all the good stuff, and we're gonna add our spices into the chicken. You really want the seasoning to get in there, so lift some of the skin, push some in there, massage it in, and add a little bit of salt and set aside for 30 minutes or more before shallow frying. So now you shallow fry your chicken, flipping and turning it around, making sure that you have a nice golden brown color on all sides, and you can use a fork to pierce through the chicken like we did earlier. And I like to wash up, you know, before I finish cooking so I don't end up with a lot of dishes. So take out your chicken, pierce through to make sure there's no blood coming out, and then you can take it out. Ready? It looks like we are almost ready and done. So here I'm adding the tolo beef into the same pan. So I drained off a little bit oil because the chicken, as you know, is quite fatty with the skin. So I drained off about 2 tablespoons of oil from the pan, but I still have all the brown bits of the chicken in there, that one. You have to keep it in. There's no way you're gonna let that go. So I'm using 3 pieces of tolo beef. So we're gonna add in our onion to the tolo beef. So we're adding now our chili, and we have our garlic as well. That looks so colorful. Adding our chopped spring onions. Rice that we've washed already. So this is 2 cups of rice. So you add that into the pan. So it's fried enough. It takes about 2 minutes. Also this part allows your rice to come out individual, like nicely, like almost a bit like fried rice, right? There'll be no clumping of fries. This looks like I haven't even eaten it, but I can tell it's going to be amazing. Alright guys, so moment of truth. Let's see how Angwamo chili rice, 1 pot rice is going to be. Oh my gosh, no, this is so good. Guys, you really have to try this. Why? All the flavors are there. All my favorite flavors. Savory, slightly spicy. The soy sauce works so well. It works so well with the chili and the oil and the salted beef flavor. Okay, let me try my chicken. Cook through. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Anyway guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you've had a really enjoyable, educative time watching this video and you've learned something new. Try this recipe, let me know how it goes, and please share in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. Happy New Year once again, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Bye, till later. Bye.